Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of Its Dyer things. Sage and Rob here, as we're just about we're heading off to John's. Why are we heading off to John's? Well, because he kind of sent me a message this morning saying, "Oh, I'm heading over to go see the grandparents," and at the same time, there's kind of like something I was interested in, and I want to go take a look. You can add some music on. It doesn't matter.
It's really loud.
Huh?
It's mad loud.
Okay, well.
I don't want to turn it down.
Turn it down.
The point. No, because I want to listen to the song.
We can listen to the song while we're talking.
You're 10 times louder than the radio.
Then I won't be so loud.
But I don't think that's possible.
But give me the tunes. So anyways, yeah, we're heading on over to John's right now, just due to the fact that I said...
I can't hear it.
Okay, well, I want to hear it. I like to have the background music.
But I can't hear it.
Okay, well then we'll replay it after when I'm done.
Well, it's boring then.
Seriously. God, Jesus. So anyways, yeah, so as John said, oh, there's kind of something I want to kind of go look at, kind of. So that to me only means one damn thing. And he says, oh, what are you doing? I'll be back at 7 if you want to come over. So yeah, it's now just a shy past 8 o'clock. And if he's inviting us over, it's because there's something that he probably wants to show us. So let's head on over there and take a look and see what he's got. Another surprise. What could it be? I don't know. With John Boy, it's yeah. Whatever. Let's go. Yoo-hoo! Oh my God, man. Look how that is massive. All right, well, we are here and John's right there. So yeah, we're at John's now. Let's just turn around here so you guys can also get a good look as to what is this monstrosity of a monster. This is absolutely crazy. Here we go. Let's turn you around. Welcome to a new... What the heck is he doing? What are you doing there?
I'm taking off the Rotopax bracket.
Oh! Holy smoke. So you ended up picking this thing up, eh? The new to you Suzuki. Oh, check out those tires, dude. That is perfect. Your wife is gonna get mad, either at you or at me. She's gonna think that we're
No, she's
they're
like,
bad
whatever.
influence.
No, she's like, whatever.
She's giving up on you.
Yeah,
officially, just
pretty
like
much,
us.
Yeah.
Sweet. What are you taking that
okay.
off though for?
I don't need a Rotopax. It's got a 3.6 gallon tank.
I know. You can
do-
get to Quebec with that.
Pretty much. At 56 miles per gallon.
Yep.
I can do, 180 miles, which is, 260 kilometers?
This is one mean bike, man. This is awesome, dude.
And then if that's not enough, then I got a 5.1 liter.
You got the
gallon.
is that okay? Extrbus. Holy smokes, that's monstrous.
So I can
and then you got
always do
Rotopax. Did the guy tell you like what he's done with this?
Yeah.
Like
And
has he done like some serious
This
travels or
is
what?
for you.
Oh, there you go. That's for you. That is
And so actually,
massive.
Here,
That's
this
monstrous.
This thing doesn't belong. I just put this there so that it doesn't fall through, right? But there
No,
you go.
Eric, hold on to it. You can put it onto the side.
No, I don't need a Rotopax.
Huh? No, but you could be like the fuel cargo plane for us. So we're gonna be like the two little F-15s, right? Or whatever you want to call it. The little planes, and you're gonna be like the big bomber plane. And we're just gonna kind of come up right up beside you.
Yeah.
You know, and we're like, get him some fuel, man.
We're trying to get a nozzle or something.
Oh, like a flapping nozzle, right?
Right,
And see if we can get it splurched into the. Yeah, man, you could be the wonder. Is this just for the Rotopax, or could you put the luggage on this?
Oh, this is 13. This is for the luggage,
Yep.
and so is this. But the guy outfitted this plate so that he can use the Rotopax on it.
Oh, okay. Shall we take this thing off?
Yeah.
Take it off the ground.
Yeah. Let me just take it off.
Okay. Oh, congratulations, man. So it's a Suzuki DR650.
650. Oil cooled.
Oh, he's look. You can see he's lowered the front, eh?
Yeah, he lowered the front. And
He's lowered the front?
It's got the lowering kit in the back as well.
Did you get the original? Is it just the dog bones?
That is the original.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you have adjustability there.
Yeah, if you flip it,
Yep.
then it raises it back up again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I was gonna say it must a little small.
Well, that all depends. Well, I don't know. John's all leg too, though, right? So,
Yeah. So.
other than being a little bit dirty, but other than that, it's sweet.
I don't
eh?
care about the
stock
dirt.
exhaust,
Yeah, it's only got 15,000 kilometers.
which is really nothing. Like
Yeah.
the WR has more than that.
Yeah, this is nothing for these guys.
And it's like the same, such reliable engine, just like yours.
Yeah, air cooled.
Yeah.
Sorry,
yeah.
oil cooled, I should say, not air cooled, but
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I can see that. Eh? That's not bad.
yeah. I want to get it right. You know, we're on YouTube.
Huh?
I want to get it right. We might be on YouTube.
Well, check that out, guys. So, anyways, yeah, we're here at John's place checking out this new to his ride, new to you ride, DR650. Now I really have no choice. Now I have to get something. Like seriously.
It is WR.
Do you think we can keep up with this guy?
Oh yeah. What
You
are
know,
talking about? This. I'm not gonna go fast on this thing.
Even so, you're just gonna be God. 10RA 700. Come on.
There we go.
Here we go.
That's what
I gotta get the MT10 sold, man. This is awesome. Oh, look at the top plate too, eh? You got top plate and all.
Yeah.
That's a nice looking bike. Oh, and he's got the. Oh, is that the Trailmaster? Is that a Trailmaster computer?
Yeah, it's one of those something tech.
Trip meter, yeah.
It's a speedo and
Yeah,
tachometer.
Trail Tech.
Yeah.
I think it's called that. So we used to offer those through Yamaha. They're actually they're a pretty penny, man. They're actually quite expensive, right?
Yeah. So I was looking at this bike. in
Now it
terms
all
of
depends on
everything
what
that
sensors you
spec.
put in. You can actually it's really good. It's a speedometer, it's a thermometer.
Yeah. So
everything.
what he has there is that he has it for tachometer.
I can't reach it. You can't reach it. Sage, get in there. Jump in the bed. Here you go. Oh, there you go. Attaboy. So he's got it as a tachometer.
Tachometer, engine temperature, and a speedo.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Perfect. And those are great systems too, eh?
Yeah.
So.
So I was looking
Not bad.
at some actually that's like these upgrades. A lot of these upgrades I would have done myself.
Hey, yeah.
So the fact that he did it saves me
Perfect.
quite a bit of.
And you
coin.
can see he did the brush guards properly,
Yeah.
without chopping away at the
Yeah.
the grips and all that, right?
Yeah.
Here's the bolt.
Okay. Oh, cool. Thanks.
Right. That's sweet, man. Nice hack service. Cool. Look at the mirrors on that, eh? Huh? Oh, he's got the. Oh yeah, eh?
Yeah, that's.
And you got a sergeant seat.
And the sergeant.
That is going to be a look at this.
Windshield and everything.
Scrambler 125. Shh. This is a project that he's working on. Check this out, man. So this CBR 125 had a full fairing and everything, right? And now he's actually all removed that whole fairing and now made like a heavy duty skid plate and a rad protector, right? Frames. He's done all this himself, right? So he's going to now get rid of this and he's going to have like a little single light pod in the front, but he's making this for Athena so that she can go off-roading too. And then they're going to get some knobby tires. It's going to be so cool. Anyways. All right. Let me put this camera aside so that we can help you get all this done. Right.